Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video, we'll teach you how to fix Roblox error. You have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior error code 268 on mobile phones. In method 1, you have to open your phone settings. Scroll down. Click on apps. Now you have to search the Roblox game. Click on it. And then you have to click on force stop. Click on OK. And then click on storage. Click on clear data. Click on OK. Now try to log in. In method 2, you have to go to your Wi-Fi settings. Click on the connected Wi-Fi settings. Click on advanced and then click on IP settings. Click on static. Scroll down. Here you will see DNS1. You have to remove this one and you have to add here 1.1.1.1. In DNS2 you have to type 1.0.0.1 and click on save. Now you have to restart your phone. In method 3 you have to open Play Store and try to uninstall Roblox game and reinstall again. So with these three methods you can also fix Roblox login error. You have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior error code 268. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.